Good afternoon, it's Rachel here, and I am showing one of the new kits that Stef's been working on. And so he has made, I'm calling it an antique ephemera tag kit because there's sort of like luggage things, there's ledgery sort of things, there's ephemera sort of things. So I wasn't quite sure what to call it, so I'm just calling it an antique ephemera tag kit. Okay, so there's 12 designs of tags. You'll get 11 JPEG pages and 11 page PDF file because I did the tags in different sizes. So this is the big tag here. So they're really gorgeous, and my video to follow is showing. I decorated them all of this size, these ones. So they're really gorgeous. Stef worked on them for days. A lot of them are done with our own ephemera that Stef has scanned and taken bits and pieces, and he's also added bits as well, script as well. So this one has some old marble paper and all bits and pieces of some of our like our bits and pieces of ephemera, and some of it's in Italian and some of it is in English. So here we go. I did 4 to a page, and I was only going to do it in the PDF, but then I decided to create the JPEGs as well, so that way you could get the same size as the PDF. So that's that one. So they're all the same designs, just 4 to a page. I can't turn around because otherwise I'll go off screen. And then I did again 3 to a page, but slightly smaller. So you get 3 sizes. So there's that one, because of course we need to adapt them to different types of journals. That one. So they're really the same. That one. That one. And then afterwards you'll see the video, and I'll just give you a quick squeeze at the first one. I worked with the tags, so that's in the up and coming video. So I hope you like those. They've been a long time coming. We've been wanting to do them for a while, and I think they're great base to start. Of course, you can decorate the front like I did in my next video, or otherwise you could leave this for the writing and decorate the other side. So you've got 2 options. So I hope you like them. I absolutely love them, and we'll be playing with them a lot because I also have a lot of test prints as well, so I need to use those up too. And have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.